Hello student, this question is from puzzle. This type of question asked in Infosys. 4 to 5 questions asked. This is a special section, puzzle section in the Infosys. Or if you go for the government examination, you can find this missing number term you have to find. So we have to find the common logic and we have to find this unknown number here. So what we can do, this 25 plus 17 if we did, so it is 2 and 142. The addition of this two term is 42. If we divide by 6 it become 7. It means if we divide 42 by 7 it become 6. Next 38 plus 18, 16, 156. So if we divide it by 8 it become 7. It means that we have to divide the addition of this number, so we get that number. So 89 plus 16 is 5, means 105 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7 5s are. It means on the place of question mark 15 is required. So we are go with this B option 15, and this question asked in multiple times, not only in this SSC CGL or a CPO, in other companies as well as the government examination, same question asked without changing the value. So I think this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.